Here, in the heart of South America, lies a world unlike any other on our planet. It is a realm of colossal scale, a living, breathing entity that stretches across 9 nations. We call it the Amazon. From above, it appears as an unending ocean of green, a vast textured carpet of emerald. It is a place of profound mystery and astonishing beauty. It is a world powered by sunlight, water where life has exploded into a dizzying array of forms. The air here is thick and heavy, saturated with the sweet, earthy scent of damp soil and decaying leaves. This constant humidity is the lifeblood of the forest, feeding the giant trees that form its backbone. The Amazon is not merely a collection of trees, it is a complex, interconnected system. From high above, the true architect of this green kingdom is revealed. The river. The mighty Amazon River and its thousands of tributaries snake across the landscape like colossal silver serpents. These rivers are not static channels, they are dynamic and ever-changing. During the wet season they swell to unimaginable sizes, flooding vast areas of the forest. This annual flood is not a catastrophe but a crucial, life-sustaining event. The rivers dictate the rhythm of life for countless creatures. Giant river otters, social intelligent carnivores. The river is a larder and a playground. Capybaras plunge into the water, natural buoyancy and a swift escape. A prowling jaguar, the slightest hint of danger. Sunset. The river changes character. The water becomes a sheet of gold and crimson. Day sounds fade. Nocturnal chorus of frogs and insects. Caiman emerge, eyes glinting like embers. High above the forest floor, a separate world exists, a bustling metropolis of leaves and branches known as the canopy. This is where the majority of the Amazon's life is found, a vibrant and competitive realm bathed in sunlight. The spider monkey, with its incredibly long limbs and prehensile tail, is a master of this domain. Troops of capuchin monkeys, intelligent and resourceful, move through the branches in search of fruits, nuts and insects, sometimes using stones to crack open tough palm nuts. Their lives are a constant search for food, and the canopy provides in abundance. Flowers bloom in brilliant splashes of color, attracting hummingbirds and bats. Among the most iconic residents of the canopy is the sloth, an animal that has taken life in the slow lane to an extreme. Its movements are so deliberate that algae can grow in its fur, providing camouflage, a clever energy-saving strategy. Snakes like the emerald tree boa lie coiled on branches, their green scales providing perfect camouflage. Colorful tree frogs with vibrant skin warning of potent toxins cling to broad leaves. The canopy is a complete and complex ecosystem in itself, a high-rise city of life buzzing with activity from dawn until dusk. It is a living testament to different strategies for survival, speed, stealth, and cunning, all sharing the same sky-high neighborhood. Down on the forest floor, in the deep shadows and dappled light, lives the undisputed king of the Amazon, the jaguar. This is the largest cat in the Americas, a creature of immense power, patience, and breathtaking beauty. Its magnificent coat, covered in dark rosettes, provides superb camouflage in the undergrowth. It is a solitary and elusive hunter, often moving with a silence that belies its size and strength. The jaguar is the apex predator here, and its presence shapes the behavior of almost every other animal in the forest. Its diet is remarkably varied. Deer and peccaries on the forest floor, monkeys and sloths from the trees, caiman and large fish from the rivers. Unlike many other big cats, it is an accomplished swimmer and is just as comfortable hunting in the water as it is on land. Its name comes from the indigenous word jaguar, he who kills with one leap, referring to its unique method of killing, a powerful bite through the skull of its prey. The strength of its jaws, the strongest of any big cat relative to its size, is a testament to its evolutionary design. As the top predator, it helps maintain the health and balance of the entire forest community. By preying on a wide variety of animals, it prevents any single species from becoming too numerous. Its survival is inextricably linked to the survival of the Amazon itself. The Amazon is honestly a paradise for birds, home to more than 1,000 different species. A significant portion of all bird species on Earth, their calls, their songs, their colors, fill the forest from highest canopy to lowest undergrowth. Perhaps the most spectacular are the macaws, flying in pairs, family groups, streaking across the sky like living rainbows. At clay licks on riverbanks, they ingest minerals which help neutralize toxins from unripe fruits. The toucan, with its enormous, colorful bill, is an unmistakable sight. Surprisingly lightweight, used to reach fruit and regulate temperature. Hummingbirds, tiny iridescent jewels, dart from flower to flower, their wings beating so fast they blur, pollinating the flowers that become fruits. Not all birds are bright. Masters of camouflage like the potu perch motionless, their feathers mimicking bark until night when they open enormous mouths for moths. The air itself is alive with the hum of countless smaller birds, each playing a part in the complex orchestra of jungle life. From the magnificent macaw to the tiny hummingbird, each bird plays a part in the forest orchestra. Each note, each call, contributes to the living score of the Amazon. The spectacle is endless, and the skies are never truly quiet. Far below the sunlit canopy, the forest floor and the undergrowth form a world of deep shade. This shaded world is ruled by a different set of life forms, subtle, hidden, and extraordinary. Poison dart frogs, electric blue, fiery orange, vivid yellow, wear their danger in brilliant colors. Those colors are not for display but a stark warning to predators. Leafcutter ants march in endless columns, each carrying massive leaf pieces back to vast underground nests. They are not eating the leaves, they farm a special fungus that becomes their food. They are the farmers of the jungle. Nearby, a tarantula may lurk in its silk-lined burrow, waiting for a careless insect or small rodent. Termites, millipedes, fungi, the undergrowth is a world of constant recycling. Nothing is wasted here. This process drives the nutrient cycle, ensuring life continues even on surprisingly poor soil. The waterways of the Amazon are patrolled by ancient predators, reptiles almost unchanged for millions of years. The black caiman is the largest of these, a formidable hunter that can grow to over 5 meters in length. By day they bask like dormant logs absorbing the sun, but as dusk falls they slip into the water, drifting patiently with only eyes and nostrils above the surface. Fish, capybaras, a young deer, all come to the water's edge. Their power is immense, a sudden, explosive lunge that is over in an instant. Sharing this domain is another giant, the green anaconda, one of the world's largest snakes. Superb swimmers with eyes and nostrils on top of their heads, they wait in the shallows perfectly camouflaged. They are constrictors, seizing prey, then rapidly coiling with methodical force until it succumbs. After feeding, they can go for weeks without eating. A swollen belly the only sign of a recent meal. Both caiman and anaconda are vital components of river ecosystems, keeping balances in check. To be in the Amazon is to be enveloped by sound. At dawn, the first sounds are the roars of howler monkeys, deep, guttural choruses that travel for miles. Soon joined by a cacophony of birdsong, 1,000 calls weaving together as the forest awakens. Midday brings a lull for larger animals, but sound remains, the electric buzz of millions of insects. Every sound has meaning, a warning of danger, a call to a mate, a declaration of territory. It is the language of the forest itself. The Brazil nut tree cannot self-pollinate, it depends on a large orchid bee. The agouti cracks the nuts and buries some, letting seedlings sprout. Fish that eat fallen fruit become agents of seed dispersal, an elegant partnership between plants and animals. All are threads in one vast, intricate tapestry. Remove one thread and consequences ripple through the system. Life, death, cooperation, and competition, the forest's symphony of interconnection. We have journeyed through a world of unparalleled wonder, from the sun-drenched canopy to the shadowy depths of the river. We have witnessed the power of the jaguar, the grace of the spider monkey, and the hidden beauty of the poison dart frog. The Amazon is a treasure trove of biodiversity, a living library of evolutionary history that breathes life into a continent and the planet. The trees produce oxygen, and the rivers transport water and nutrients across thousands of miles. Yet this emerald ocean is in a precarious position, the balance is fragile. The symphony of the forest is being replaced by the sound of chainsaws. The tapestry of life is beginning to unravel. Remove one thread and consequences ripple through the system. The loss is not only trees and animals but a vital global system. Protecting this extraordinary place requires a global effort. Scientists, indigenous people, and communities working together. The future of the jaguar, the macaw, and countless other species is linked to our choices now. We must act. Do everything in our power so that the symphony of the Amazon continues to play for generations to come.